Hi, I'm Nelson from Techie Portal. Hello guys, this time let's try to create these two buttons inside our card body. We will be using Accordion class, row class, and call class from Bootstrap to create these two buttons. Okay, I think without so much ado guys, let's proceed to our text editor. Okay, so just inside our card body, we just need to open, a class row with a margin top of about 2 rem, and inside our row we need to create call hyphen md hyphen 12. We need to occupy the whole row. Okay, and then we need to create here, yep, the accordion class and an id. So this id name is not constant. You can use your own id name if you want to, but if you don't want and you want to copy my id name in this tutorial, so it's okay, no problem. Okay, and then inside this accordion class, okay, let's try to create a card header, and then we need to use style attribute to indicate here a background color of that header. So, and this background color we will be using RGB for flat colors, 224, 247, 250, and a certain opacity of about 8%. No, 80%, guys, sorry. Okay, and then yep, just inside this card header we need a card title. Okay. Card title and a display about 5. Yep, so a smaller font display. And then we need to create here button, and we need an ID, let's say B first, and then a class name btn card link instead of btn link text hyphen left. So we need to align the label of the button to the left, and then width of the button about 100%. And then we need to make use of some of the attributes. Okay, so these are important attributes. Data toggle, so we need the toggle collapse class, and then we need to use also data target. So in the data target we need to make use of an ID. So once again guys, this is not constant. You can use your own ID name here, and also data parent. So this data parent will be using, yeah, this uh, parent ID name. Okay, get accordion first, and then yep, I think that's enough. And then let's have here the label of the button, first year hyphen first semester. Yep, and then we need here icon plus circle, and then margin top of 2 rem, right, and t2, and then we need to float that icon to the right, and then size 1 times. I think that's enough. And then just after this card header we need to create another element, guys. So div card body and table responsive. So later we will be needing this one, table hyphen responsive, and yep, a class name collapse. Okay, so also this is important, and an ID name get first. Okay, I think we have this one, and then just put test here for testing purposes. So we need two buttons, so we just need to copy and paste this one. So copy, and then we need to paste just below this closing tag. Yep, and then we just need to change this ID name to second. Okay, this is important. We need to change the ID name second, second. also you need to change this into v second. Okay, what was also this one, second semester, and also this one, 2 second. Okay, so yep, I think that's good, and you just need to add some tests here for testing purposes, and let's save it. Let's try to uh, check, and I think we just missed something. We just changed the color, the font color of the label of the button label. I need text info here, save. Also here I need to add some font color here, text info, and let's save it, and let's check the output whether this one is working or not. If it's not, then so, I think this is working, don't worry. Okay, so let's try to look at the output. Boom, guys, so this is the output. So if we try to click on these buttons, yep, we have the test, and the test. I think we've done enough. See you on the next tutorial, guys. We will be creating, the table inside this collapse. uh, yes, we need to create these collapse items here. Okay, if we click on this one, so yep, we need to create this table and some other form components. So guys, see you in the next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tutorials, guys. Thank you so much. God bless.